Hi there, I'm James from the Selling Guys. In this video, I'm going to explain all the different barcodes you need when selling on Amazon. The first thing to understand is that barcodes fit into two groups. The FNSKU and ASIN are Amazon's internal barcodes. GTIN, UPC, EAN, and ISBN are used globally by everyone. GTIN stands for Global Trade Item Number. It's the umbrella term used for UPC, EAN, and ISBN, which are just different formats of GTINs. All GTINs are managed by an organization called GS1. Every unique product needs its own unique GTIN to be recognized in the global retail catalog. UPC, or Universal Product Code, is a 12-digit barcode used in North America. If you're creating a brand new listing, Amazon requires a valid UPC unless you have an exemption. EAN is the European article number, which is 13 digits. It's the equivalent of the UPC used in Europe. Now, looking at Amazon's internal codes. ASIN stands for Amazon Standard Identification Number, and Amazon uses this to organize its product catalog. Amazon automatically generates this unique 10-character alphanumerical code when a new product is listed. Every variation, like a different size or color, needs its own unique ASIN. The ISBN barcode, used for books, is the exception, as it's used on Amazon as the primary identifier. The FNSKU is the Fulfillment Network Stock-Keeping Unit. The FNSKU is Amazon's way of tracking products to ensure your inventory is tied directly to your specific seller account. It prevents your stock from being mixed with other sellers' inventory, protecting you if another seller sends in counterfeit or damaged goods. When adding the FNSKU labels, you must cover any existing barcodes on the product. We strongly recommend purchasing UPC or EAN codes directly from GS1. Using cheap third-party barcodes can cause listing issues on Amazon. If you want to sell handmade goods, private label products, or bundles you have created, you can apply for GTIN Exemption in Seller Central when you add a product. The product must not already have a GTIN, and if successful, you will list using the FNSKU. So, to summarize when to use each barcode. Selling books, you need an ISBN. Launching a brand new private label product, you need a GS1 verified UPC or EAN. If you are enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry, you don't have to add a FNSKU sticker. If doing arbitrage or wholesale, you need an FNSKU applied over the manufacturer's barcode. And if you're selling custom bundles or handmade goods, go for that GTIN exemption. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help. And if you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for joining me and happy selling.